After a heavy rain, have you noticed puddles that linger in your yard or streets that turn into streams? In Elizabeth City, hard surfaces like roads, sidewalks, and rooftops leave rain with nowhere to go, often impacting homes, schools, and local businesses. While stormwater systems were designed to manage runoff, they're increasingly strained by heavier and more frequent rain events. That's why Elizabeth City is taking action, and we need your help. Through the Resilient Coastal Communities program, we're building a more flood-prepared and resilient future, implementing priorities from a new comprehensive resilience strategy. At the heart of our resilience strategy are nature-based solutions. These are strategies for managing stormwater by working with nature rather than against it. A great example of nature-based solutions is right here in Elizabeth City.
Has anybody ever heard of a rain garden?
We are at the Knobs Creek Recreation Center, and we are planting the city's inaugural rain garden. This is a demonstration project. It may look small, but it's demonstrating a very big, important idea, which is for the city to learn how to grow with nature, not against it.
The city has installed a rain garden with volunteers from the Boys and Girls Club to help manage stormwater and reduce flooding in the area.
Sort of nestle the dirt around him, like use your hands.
This is meant to be a unifying event, a fun event for our community. It's meant to bring out kids to learn about what nature-based solutions actually are. It's not always as complicated as it sounds.
1, 2, 3.
Nature-based solutions tap into the power of natural systems to help tackle tough environmental challenges. This garden is designed to capture and filter rainwater runoff from nearby paved surfaces, like the parking lot and sidewalks.
This is modeling a best management practice, a low-impact way to try to control stormwater. We're putting a very simple garden in place with native plants to collect runoff, filter water, provide some habitat for some pollinators and other cool local species.
It's not just functional, it's also a beautiful addition to this public space.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Well, yes, I am hoping that this rain garden will be a catalyst for people, that they will see that, yes, this works, and they will support this approach for other public spaces. They will see how they beautify the community. We'll have a strong foundation to promote similar sorts of projects at businesses big and small.
By restoring the natural water cycle, slowing, storing, and soaking stormwater where it falls, nature-based solutions help reduce the volume and speed of runoff that can overwhelm urban drainage systems. You can be a part of the solution, right at home or work. Take a look at how water moves across your property, especially near downspouts, driveways, and lawns, and note where it tends to collect or cause erosion. Simple nature-based solutions like rain gardens can have customized plant selection. Planting native trees and shrubs can restore a portion of your property to provide wildlife habitat and increase water infiltration. Rain barrels or cisterns can capture rainwater and store it for watering plants. Pervious pavers or porous pavement used for driveways, patios, or walkways can increase groundwater recharge. For more information on the types of nature-based solutions suitable for your property type, please consult Elizabeth City's Best Management Practices Handbook on nature-based solutions. Join Elizabeth City in building a resilient future. Together, we can reduce flood risks and continue to build vibrant communities, one yard, one block, and one neighborhood at a time.